Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about variables. What are variables in coding? So to know this, first of all, you should know what the word variable means. So you can see here, the dictionary meaning of variable is not consistent or having a fixed pattern. That means something that keeps on changing, able to change. For example, your age that keeps on changing. Every year, your age changes, right? So it's a variable. It's not a fixed value. Your height, it keeps on changing. It's not a fixed value, right? So same way in coding, we have variables. So now we have so many commands to give to computer. We want it to create a game for us. We want it to create an app for us or animation. So there are a lot of changings happening in the games. For example, score. When I created a game, I create scores over this. The scores keep on changing. They are variables, right? So if the opponent gets a point, its scores increases by 1. If I get a point, my score increases by 1. If I made a wrong move, my point decreases by 1. So this is how the score changes in the game. So this is how we are going to learn. This is what we are going to learn, variable, how to create variables. Okay. So for this, I'm just going to show you very simple that how you can create variables. And then after this video, next video, I will show you how to apply variable concept to in a game. Okay. So first of all, what I want is I don't need a sprite. What I want is I want here random numbers to be shown to me. Variables means changing. So suppose I have counting 1 to 5 and I want the numbers to come in front of me randomly. Sometimes it can come 5, then 3, then 4, then 1, then 2, then 5, then 1, 2, 3. So it should come randomly, right? So what I will do is I will go in variables. I will create a variable, set variable. Okay. So I'll go in variables. I'll bring set I, rename this variable. I'll click on rename this variable and I will type here the name number. I will click here, create. Now I have created this. I have declared a variable in my command. In my coding, I have declared a variable whose name is number. And I have to now give it a value. Whenever we declare a variable, we need to assign it a value. The first value, whatever value we assign it to it, is called initializing a variable. So what I want, it's a number. I want to give it a value. It can have any value from 1 to 5. Okay. So I'm going in math and I'm not giving it any fixed value. 1, 5. If I'll give it one value, it will be fixed. No, it should keep on changing. So I'll go in math and bring random integer. It's 1 to 100. I want 1 to 5. Okay. So I have put 1 to 5 here. So now it's going to get any number 1 to 5. Let's click on run and check. When I'm clicking on run, nothing is showing to me. But why is it so? I have declared a variable. I have initialized it. I have given it random values from 1 to 5. But nothing is visible to me. This is because I haven't asked computer to show the number to me. So what I have to do here is I'm going in text and I'm bringing show title block. So what I want that this number should be shown to me. This should be shown. So I'll take the title away. I'll again go in variables and I'll bring this. See, when I created number, this block get added. If you can't see your block, you can just take your I block here and you'll see your number in drop down. So now it will show me the value of number as soon as I click on run. See, whenever I click on run, it is showing me a new value. So see, it's a variable. The value of number is changing. So see, JavaScript language is something object oriented. So I have an object number whose value keeps on changing. For example, I have a pencil box. I can put a pencil in it. I can put either a pen or an eraser or a sharpener. So it is up to me what I am putting in it. It's the thing is variable and the object is constant. So the object is number and whatever value I am assigning it to it, it is getting back and it is keep on changing. So this is variable, and I have shown you with numbers, so it's a numerical variable. We can also create string variables that I will discuss in any other video. Thank you.